Today, we're checking out the RedRock 3-inch side step bars with a black finish designed for the 2024 and newer Tacoma Double Cabs. Now, if you're looking for an easy and affordable way to improve cab access while adding a rugged side profile to your truck, these side step bars are going to be a solid option. These side step bars provide a sturdy and secure step for easier entry and exit out of the truck, making them especially useful for those lifted rigs. And if you have any older people as well as kids trying to get in and out of the truck. The 3-inch tubular design offers a sleek yet functional look that complements any truck's rugged styling. Also, the integrated non-slip pads with this nice deep textured finish also provides extra traction, ensuring a safe footing in all weather conditions. Beyond accessibility, these bars also add some side protection, helping to defend your truck's rocker panels from road debris, minor dings, and anything you're going to experience out there on the road or trail. Whether you're hitting those trails or you're just daily driving, these steps enhance both the convenience and the durability of your truck. Now, as far as the construction goes, these are built from heavy-duty steel, and the side step bars are designed for strength and long-lasting durability. This black powder coat finish provides corrosion resistance, ensuring they hold up against rain, mud, and harsh conditions without rusting over time. And it also just gives it a nice clean profile on the side of your truck. The welded construction enhances the rigidity, giving you reliable support over time for years to come. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, they are coming in around $200 price range for the pair of both sides. This is a great price point for gaining easier access to the cab with a bit of added side protection for the truck. It's going to be really hard pressed to find $200 side steps that look nice and clean like this. They're just overall a really solid deal. Installation is very straightforward on this, so we're rating this the simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 1 hour or less of your time with just some basic tools. These side steps are going to bolt directly to the factory mounting points, so there shouldn't be any need for any drilling or modifications. Just simply align them with the existing holes, secure them with the included hardware in the kit, and you're good to go. So now let's throw it out to the shop, and they can give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that installation process goes.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, 12 and 13 millimeter sockets. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some side steps on our Tacoma, so let's get started. Alright guys, so we're starting off underneath the truck right behind our pinch weld, and you're going to find some sets of threaded inserts that are in there from factory. Now you may have some bolts in here, we obviously don't. You'll need a 12 millimeter socket to remove those placeholder bolts. Once you have those out, if you need to take them out, we're going to grab our brackets. Now these are labeled for each position, so they're going to be the same for the center and rear, and then the front one is going to be its own. So then we're going to grab 2 of our 13 millimeter bolts with lock washers and flat washers. We'll get these brackets loosely in place for now. You just want to thread these in pretty much hand tight so they hold, but they can still be adjusted. And once you have this one in, you can do the same thing for your other 2 brackets. So now that we've got our brackets loosely in place, we're going to line up our step. Now these have threaded inserts on the back side of them that are going to line up with our brackets. We'll set this on. And once you get them lined up, you can grab your provided combo bolts, which are also 13 millimeter. Get those in place through your bracket into your threaded insert. And again, we'll just get these hand tight for the moment. Once you have your first 2 in place, you can install the rest of your combo bolts into your other 2 brackets. So now once you have everything loosely in place and you've made any adjustments you want to make, we'll grab our 13 millimeter socket on our ratchet and begin tightening everything down. We're going to start with our main bracket. Then we can come down to our combo bolts. And once you have your first bracket tightened up, you can do the same thing for your other 2 brackets. And once you have this side installed, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our RedRock 3-inch side step bars and black finish for your 24 to current Tacoma Double Cab. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.